It was 3:03 a.m. when I woke up to a sound I couldn't explain. It wasn't my neighbors. It wasn't the wind. It sounded whispering. Wet, sloshy whispering. Now, I live alone, and I know the exact sound my fridge makes when it's being dramatic. But this was something else. I got up, grabbed my phone flashlight, because clearly I value vibes over safety, and started creeping down the hallway. The closer I got to the kitchen, the louder it got, like someone was gargling secrets under my sink. Then I saw it. A glowing green light coming from under my fridge. At that point, I was either about to uncover a secret lab or meet the snack demon. I slowly got down on my knees, reached underneath, praying I wouldn't lose a finger, and pulled out a wet, glowing, softly humming potato. Yeah, a potato. Slightly warm and singing. It opened its tiny potato mouth and whispered. I was being rickrolled by a radioactive potato. I stared at it. It stared back at me. We both knew something spiritual had just happened. The potato now lives on my kitchen counter. Every night at 3:03 a.m. it sings, and I won't lie, it kinda slaps. Moral of the story? Don't fear the unknown. Sometimes it's just a Wi-Fi enabled potato with better music taste than your ex.